Yeah, cut me 30 minutes ago, man. I didn't do anything.
Hey, once you get it, kind of squint your eyes. It's
Okay.
not good for your eyes.
Okay. Will do.
I was pulling toward myself with the saw.
Oh, right, yeah.
I mean, and at one point, the wood I cut hit me in the head, and the saw went like quick. So, a matter of inches, I almost cut my forehead with that fucking saw all day.
Okay.
I can't even go home for Christmas anymore without offending my grandma.
But it's tight.
Alright.
I have 2 living grandmothers and 1 living grandfather.
He's a realtor, and then bonds it all out. Who knows what he's going to do next year?
What's that? Nothing moves, right? Nothing? You would have brought down on my neck.